A puppy has passed away and its owner gently lays it to rest with a quiet burial. The owner covers the puppy with soil, gently burying it in the ground. A quiet, heartfelt farewell. But the mother dog is heartbroken. She doesn't want her puppy to be buried and tries to dig through the soil to reach it again. The mother keeps digging until her puppy is visible again. She gently nudges it, as if trying to wake it up, whimpering softly, and finally, overwhelmed with grief, she collapses beside it, accepting the heartbreaking truth.